Hey, so if you want to learn how to use the MACD indicator in TradingView, this is one of the most powerful tools for spotting trend changes and momentum. It might look a bit complex at first, but I'll break it down step by step. First, open TradingView and load any chart, crypto, forex, or stocks. Once your chart is ready, we'll add the MACD indicator. Now click on the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type MACD, moving Average Convergence Divergence, and select it. Alright, so here's what you're seeing. The MACD has three parts: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. The histogram shows the distance between the two lines. So how do traders use this? When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it can signal a buying opportunity. And when it crosses below, it may signal a selling opportunity. Now don't ignore the histogram. Yeah, it's actually very useful. When the bars get bigger, momentum is increasing. When they shrink, momentum is slowing down. You can also adjust MACD settings if needed. The default settings usually work fine, but you can tweak them based on your trading style. One important tip: don't use MACD alone. Combine it with trend direction or support and resistance for better accuracy. So yeah, that's how you use the MACD indicator in TradingView. Once you understand crossovers and momentum, it becomes much easier to read the market. Hey, so if you want to